Hi, I'm JT from Sony. Whether you're looking at purchasing a new interchangeable lens camera from the Alpha lineup, or you're already using one of these amazing cameras, upgrading the kit lens can take your photos and videos to a whole new level. Kit lenses offer a great starting point to new creators that's included with the purchase of your camera kit. These kit lenses offer a medium focal range, offering wide angle to medium telephoto to help get you started. Upgrading this lens to one of Sony's G, Zeiss, or G Master lenses can improve your overall sharpness, color, contrast, and speed thanks to better quality optics inside the lens. But there's also two main functions to look at upgrading: a wider focal range and a faster aperture. Let's take a closer look. The first reason to upgrade your kit lens is for a wider focal range. These lenses offer a wider zoom range in a single lens package, providing more versatility without having to switch between two different lenses. If you're using an APS-C Sony Alpha camera like the Alpha 6000 series, the 18 to 105mm G lens is an amazing option. It provides over twice the telephoto range of the standard kit lens. If you're using a full-frame Alpha camera like the Alpha 7 series, the 24 to 105mm f4 G lens is one of my all-time favorites. It offers a wider focal range than the standard kit lens and optical steady shot for sharper photos and videos when handheld. This leads to the second reason to upgrade your kit lens: faster apertures. A faster aperture offers improved low light performance and a shallow depth of field to achieve that incredibly smooth blurred background. For APS-C Sony Alpha users, the 16 to 55mm f2.8 G lens lets in almost twice as much light as the standard kit lens and a shallow depth of field to achieve that blurred background effect to help highlight your subject. For full-frame Alpha users, the 24 to 70mm f2.8 G Master is the ultimate lens in this focal range, with an incredibly fast f2.8 aperture and all the features you'd come to expect from a Sony G Master lens: incredible sharpness, outstanding fast focus, and an incredibly smooth blurred background. These are just a few lenses to help get you started on your photo and video creative journey. Sony has over 58 lenses available for the Alpha E-mount system, so you can tailor your camera to exactly the way you want to create. I'm JT from Sony. Thanks for watching. Should you have any additional questions and would like to speak to a Sony expert, follow the link in the description below for more information on our one-on-one consultations.